Hi, I'm piterpakulski, and today I want to show you a very simple financial model that can be useful for small businesses that have cash flow and warehouse. Now I will go through the financial model and show you the structure and how to use it, and if it is useful for you, you may give me a like, subscribe my channel. Also, you can contact me if you want to create financial model of your business idea from scratch. And in this video I will show you how you can see clearly the structure of the revenue of your business, how can you see clearly the structure of expenses of your business, and of course see the structure of your warehouse. All inputs in our financial model are colored with blue. Other Excel other cells are automatic. And now I will go through the model and show you how it works. For example, the first year of our projections is 2021, and we start with naming all our items of our business. For example, we'll take two items. We will buy and sell a chair and a table. And at the beginning of our projections, we will have 50 chairs in our warehouse, and we will have 100 tables. Okay, let's move forward. Then we have a list of transactions where we can put all our inflows and outflows of items that we've listed here, and how it works. For example, we bought some chairs. We can just type the name of transaction. We bought chairs, then we choose here that we bought it. Here we can choose from we sell and we buy. So here we buy, then we enter the price per one chair. For example, it will be $5 per chair. Then we say that we buy, for example, 200 chairs, and we bought them in 2021, and we bought them in May, for example. And here we choose from the list chair. Then, for example, we bought some other we bought some additional amount of chairs. So we bought it a little bit, they are more expensive, for example. We bought 500 chairs. We bought it in 2021 in May. Then, for example, we sold some chairs. Here we choose we sell, We sell, for example, for the price $15 per chair. We sold, for example, 300 chairs. We sell it in 2021 May. Then, for example, we sold a little bit more chairs. For example, we sold for the price of $20 per chair, and we sold, for example, 50 chairs. In May. Then, for example, we decided to buy some table. We buy. The price will be, for example, $25 per one table. We will buy 600 tables. In 2021, in May, this table. Then we, for example, sold. We sold some tables. We sold some tables. We buy. We sell. We sell, for example, 23. For example, price per unit. We will sell $70 per one table, and we will sell, for example, 550 tables, and we will sell in May. And here we have 10,000 transactions, so you can name each transaction. Each day you buy or sell any item, you can put it here. And what we will do now, we will go to cash flow statement. Here we go, and here we see the revenue by chairs, by tables. So here we see all our items that we sell. Here is the revenue for chairs, for tables. Then here we see direct costs when we buy and sell chairs and tables. Then we can see the warehouse. So at the result of our operating activity, we have 400 chairs and 150 tables on our warehouse. Well, now let's move to expenses. Here we can name different types of expenses of our business. For example, let's name some types of expenses. For example, taxes, office expenses, warehouse expenses, salaries, transport, advertising, for example, and so on. You can name up to 30 types of expenses here. And now we have here, if we go down, we will see the list of transactions where you can set up different types of expenses, and now I will show you how it's done. For example, we pay profit tax. We pay profit tax. It's $600. Year 2021. It's May, and expense type it is taxes. Then, for example, we pay income tax. For example, it would be $1,200. May, and it's still taxes. Then, for example, we need to buy some fuel for our trucks. Buy fuel. For example, it will cost us $400. May. It will be transport. Then, for example, we decided that we need to finance our advertising campaign, for example, Google AdWords. Google Ads, for example, and this will cost us $800. Here we choose advertising. Then, for example, we need to pay some advertising in Facebook. For example, it will be $1,500. And this is still advertising expenses. Then, if we go to cash flow statement, here we have operating costs. We can open it here, and all the transactions that we mentioned here will collapse in these categories: advertising, transport, taxes, all that we mentioned here before. And here you have 10,000 of transactions that you can fill in, and all these figures will go to cash flow statement, and here you will be able to see the structure of these expenses by their types: all taxes, all office expenses, all warehouses, for example, salaries, advertising. So you can here name your types of expenses. Then each time you will write any new transaction, you will choose what type of expense it will be, and this sum will go to cash flow statement to this or that type of expense, and as a result you will clearly see the structure of your expenses of your business. The same story with revenues, the same story with direct costs. For example, then now we go to investment plan. For example, we decided to buy a truck to deliver our chairs and tables to our customers. For example, we bought a truck. We bought a truck. It costed us, for example, $15,000. We bought one truck, and we bought one truck in 2021, for example, in April. Also in April we bought some equipment for our warehouse. And it costed us $20,000. We bought it in, for example, April. Now we can go to cash flow statement, and here in our result from investing activity we can see, we can press plus and see our investments. Here they are in April. So what we can do now? Here we see, when we look at our cash flow statement, we see that we have a cash gap, and for example we will take $20,000 from our pocket, but still we have a cash gap here, and we decided, for example, to take a loan. The loan will be $15,000, and we will have to pay 3 months the body of this loan, $5,000 each month, plus we will pay an interest rate, for example $200 per month. So here we can see that we have some profit, $4,900, and we can take it as a dividend. For example, we will take this money in July. So we can assume that we can take this $4,900 as a net profit and take it to our pocket. And here on the bottom of cash flow statement we can see the revenue, total expenses, total profit and total profitability each month. And now we can go to warehouse. Here we can see the balance of our warehouse at the end of our period. What we can set up here, for example, we would like to set up a limit of units for each item that we can't go lower. For example, let's set up that we have to have a minimum of 500 chairs at our warehouse at any time, and we will get an alert that we have to buy additional 100 of chairs. And also we can set up a limit for tables. We can see also the alert, and we see how many chairs and tables should we buy to get our planned limit on the warehouse. So now I've shown you all the financial model. Here you can add up to 100 items of your warehouse. You can add up to 10,000 transactions. Also you can add investments. Using this cash flow statement you can see clearly the structure of the revenue, the structure of direct costs, the structure of operating costs. Also you can see how much money you need to finance your operating activity. You can also see how much money you can take out of your business as a profit, as a dividends. You can see the net profit of your business monthly, and also you can see the profitability of your business monthly. So if this video was useful for you, give me a like, subscribe my channel. Also you can write your questions in the comments. Also you can contact me if you want to create unique financial model for your business idea. That would be a great experience for me to calculate the financial efficiency of your business idea. Thanks for watching. Bye.